It's now 2025. Home prices continue to go up and mortgage rates aren't coming down anytime soon. So what should you do if you're really looking to buy that first house or maybe first investment property, maybe even looking to refinance? What should you do to try to find the best rate? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video, because my slogan here is one application, one credit pool, and we're going to shop your loan over 30 different lenders. And today I'm actually pulling the curtain back to show you guys what's behind the scenes. So stay tuned. Here we go. So if you're looking to buy a home or looking to refinance, your goal is, okay, I don't want to get ripped off. It's like when I buy a car. It's like I hate buying a car because even if I get the greatest deal, I walk out of there and it's like, oof, that just didn't feel good. So in today's world with AI and everything else, how do you shop for the best program and the best rates? So I'm going to give you one idea today, and that's me. So I'm going to show you behind the scenes on how we do it, and we shop your loan over 30 different lenders. Now, if you're savvy enough, you can do this on your own. God bless you. You don't need my help. Well, maybe just turn the dial. But if you really need my help, what I always say is I'm looking for partners from basically the application to the keys in their hand. That's what we're trying to do, and we're trying to educate you guys out there with this. So the old days, what you would do is you would call every bank, or now you can be techie and you can go online and do the information there, and you're going to get this thing back. And, it just goes back and forth. And then you got to do it the next day because you want to get another quote from maybe 3, 4, 5 different places. But you might not realize that mortgage rates change throughout the day. And basically from when the bond market opens in the morning to when the bond market closes at the end of the day, mortgage rates are changing. So if you got a quote on Monday, that quote's no good on Tuesday. It might not even be good on Monday night. So how do you do this? So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So let's get over to it. Here's a tool that we use. Now I'm going to have to gray out a lot of these sections because you're not privy to the proprietary systems we have in the back. But here's what we're looking at right through here. We go through this, and this is how I scan the whole country, basically, with all the lenders we're set up with, to assure you guys we're at least finding you the best rates out of the 30 lenders we're working with. Okay, so let's get over to it. Here's how it works. We go in here and we put in the criteria that we're looking for. So in this case, I'm looking to work with somebody that's looking at an FHA loan. They're buying the house for $350,000. On an FHA loan, you only need 3.5% down. Let me see if I can scroll this a little bit so you can see it. Okay, so with an FHA loan, you only need 3.5% down. So that means we can finance 96.5 of that. Okay, this person has a 688 credit score, pretty good, and they're a first-time homebuyer, and they live in the zip code of 60623. That is in Cook County, Illinois. So here's what we do. We click this button, and what it's doing, it's summarizing all the data here, and now it's coming up and saying, okay, here's the lenders, Dan, that you can work with in regards to this. Now, this is the same borrower. Okay, so here's what you have to understand. Over through here, this is going to give you the rate. Over through here is going to give you the APR, and over through here is going to give you if you owe money to get that rate, or maybe you're getting a credit back. So in this case, if the number's green, you're actually going to get a credit back at that rate. Okay, so that's how it works. So let's go down through here, and we're going to say, okay, the same person, well, in this scenario, is getting 5.75. All right, so if we scroll down, it's the same person. You're going to see down through here. Let's just go midway down. That's about midway. We're going to go right through here. This person, if they took this loan, 575, they'd have to pay $859. It's about a $2,000 swing. If you keep going down through here, it only gets worse. If you go all the way to the bottom, let's go down through here. Again, folks, the same borrower, okay? The rate's 5.75. They'd have to pay $5,275 to get that rate. Now, my apologies. My shoulder is over that number, but that's what the numbers are on the sides. So this is how we actually ensure that we have a precise number right at the time we're looking to lock you. The toughest thing to do is when people call us and say, Dan, what's today's rate? I'm like, well, I need a lot more information from you. So I need your credit score. And again, we can go back through it. The biggest segments that we need, or the biggest pockets that we need of data, is what is your credit score? And you need to know your credit score, your real FICO credit score. So I'd suggest you go to creditscoresandmore.com. I'll have it down below in the description. You can click that and you can actually order your FICO score right there and get it. Okay, so now that gives us a precise number of what your FICO score is. Okay, then we're going to look at where you're looking to buy, and also the price of that property and how much you're looking to put down. Then based on that information, we're going to scan all kind of different products with you. what the nice thing about this system is we can also go down through and see if any lenders have a specific special going on. Like they might have a down payment assistance program that we can use and offer to you guys. We have one right now. It'll give you $6,000 in down payment assistance. You can use it any way you want. You're also going to get a $500 appraisal credit, as well as a $500 home warranty, all in the same packet. And it's not in one of these right through here. This is an FHA loan. That is for conventional loans, first-time home buyers. But these are the programs we can help you search out, and this is what we do. So if you're just shopping, please, go out and continue the shopping on yourself. If you really want to partner with us and trust us on this journey, I'd love to be your mortgage loan officer, because the reason why most people choose me is right through here. I have a national presence. I work at People's Bank and Trust. That gives me a federal license to lend all over the country. And the cool thing is we're set up with 30 lenders, and it is growing, folks. And that's one of the reasons why I joined that team, is because I'm able to help build that company or build that bank up to help even more of you out there. So visit us at therateupdate.com right through here. If you want to put in your application, you can click that apply right now here. If you want to schedule a consultation with me or Alan, there's only 2 of us. Okay, you're going to schedule a consultation right through there. Click it. You're going to find our available times. If you need to call us right now, our phone systems are in the process of being moved over. So please don't use this number. If you need to reach out to us, please just email me right now, and I'd be more than happy to get back with you to answer any questions that you have. But make sure you put in your phone number and your name. I'd love to help you out. So that's our report, or that's actually my training for today on how you can reach out and figure out how do you really navigate the market on finding the lowest rate in the economy at that time. So hope you reach out to us, folks. God bless. Have a fantastic afternoon. Can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye.